I have the Mayboss 6-tier shelving unit right here. I was gifted this by the company, so thank you for them sending this out to me to try out. So you can see it's really nice and tall here. Probably, it's definitely over 5 feet tall, maybe 5.5 or so. Really nice black here. They have these, let's see, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 5 of these pull-out shelves, and then 1 wooden shelf here. So these pull-out shelves are with plastic here. They pull out like this, and then that's as far as they go, so they won't fall out. They have a nice little handle right there. And then you can see they are pretty nice and heavy duty. Have some pretty heavy stuff on there, and it's holding them just fine. This one has all kinds of heavy stuff on it. Still pulls out nicely. Really nice way to organize your stuff. Be great for a pantry, garage, bathroom, bedroom, closet, whatever you need to organize. It's really cool too because you can use either the rolling wheels or you can put the flat feet on it. So whichever one you like, you can use. And then let's see, it has this nice wooden shelf up here, which looks nice. You can stack some heavier items up there as well. So yeah, it looks really nice. A really nice way to organize some stuff vertically. So if you are in need of a shelf to organize, then definitely check this one out and give it a try.